So right now it's about 8:30 and today is the day of my first ever pop-up under show. Also, my scarf is on my face because it's starting to snow and it's freezing even though it was 60 degrees yesterday. But today is the first day, or the first pop-up show, and it's at 6 p.m. Like I said, right now it's 8. I have to go to a doctor's appointment right now and then head to my mom's place, which is about an hour away, to go pick up some inventory for today and for my next pop-up event, which is in a week. And yeah, that's my day, and then I'm gonna get ready. I'll probably take the train down there, not sure. I don't know. Also, my name is Tadzialee. I am a creative entrepreneur, small business owner of Healing 365. I sell journals and soon to be some other stuff, which you guys will see if you did not already see in my last video. Which, if you did not see my last video, that is not up yet, but will be up by the time you're watching this. It's basically the process of me getting ready for today and for my next event. So feel free to watch that if you want to see kind of the behind the scenes, short, sweet, to the point. Hello. So last time I talked to you guys, I was just getting my day started. I feel like I'm doing that again. It is 2 o'clock on the dot. 2 o'clock, and I have to get ready soon, honestly. I'm gonna start getting ready soon. But I did my doctor's appointment, got my blood drawn, and I almost passed out, so that was fun. So I'm gonna go through everything that is for both of my pop-ups, just basically how I'm preparing, what I'm bringing, all that stuff. First, we have these cards. These are kind of like thank you cards. They just have, and I wish I did them differently, but first time, it's only 50 of them. So this will last us for a minute, but it's just a logo. And then we hope you join our community, QR code with all our information. Shopify has like it's kind of like a link tree, but through Shopify. So I have that set up, as well as our social medias. And then these are bigger than I was hoping, but they are journal prompts. And then I have the same QR code on there. So I have the journals, of course. I have 7 right now. I'm supposed to have 9, but 2 of them were like a lighter green. Like, honestly, you can't really, I don't know if this comes off right, but it's like, it was just like a lime green. And they came kind of messed up, so I'm returning those. So I just have 7. Technically, I'll have, what's it called? 6. Because 1 is supposed to be for a raffle. But I might have an extra in the box that I've had for a while, so I may pull from there if I have another one. Okay. And then we have gift bags. These are not branded. My mom wanted to brand them, and I was thinking about doing it, but I just didn't want to add on a whole extra thing to worry about. So I just have brown and white bags. This green table, it's actually plastic, so it's not a cloth, but this is for the second one. I might get like a different color moving forward, but for now it's okay. So I just didn't want to like put too much money into it. I just kind of wanted to see the vibes, see what I like, learn, you know. This is a scan and pay. So outside of the journals, I'm going to be selling crew necks at the first one. And honestly, maybe mugs. I'll probably sell them both because they likely, I mean, I don't know if they'll sell out at the next one, but like, who knows if I'll get one sale. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to get one sale, so I might as well just bring a couple of each thing. But first thing, mugs. I don't have a bubble wrap. I might have bubble wrap. This says Daily Dose of Ambition. This says Plant Lady. This is for the second one for sure because it's like marijuana themed. Oh, and my mom made this tote. So totes are another thing that I would like to add on in the near future. She made It's an Everyday Thing on this canvas, and I actually love it. I'm going to bring it today. So if people say, oh my god, I want that, you're like, you can get it later. My favorite, so this is one of the crew neck designs. This is a medium. This is a big medium. But the back says, enjoy the journey. It's worth the wait. And then the front says, good things take time. This is a quote I need to get tattooed on me, that I try to live by and remember. And yeah, now I have it on clothing, which is so crazy. But it came out a little purple. Again, the color, we have to play around with the color. Yeah, so, and this is something I need to actually fix. I have to go over it, but that's this. Comes in gray and purple. It says trailblazing right here because blazing, smoking, and then trailblazing women, trailblazing in the canvas industry, in the entrepreneurial space, all that stuff, whatever space you're trailblazing in. So I thought that was nice. But yeah, that is my inventory for my 2 pop-ups. Those are the things that I'm bringing. My mom has a table. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I thought it'd be nice if I put tags on, like logo tags on the crew necks so I can take off the like manufacturer. So that's what this is for, and then also to just go over the crew necks that we made today that I just picked up because some of the lettering is a little off. It's like the really little things that just make a difference. And I know like nothing's gonna be perfect ever, nothing's perfect now, but like this is like the start and it's just really cool to experience. And I'm so proud of myself, and I'm so grateful for my mom, and I'm also so proud of her for doing things that she enjoys, like making stuff with her Cricut, and I'm grateful that she's just here to help me with this. Because look at this. It's branded. And it's so small. Like obviously it's branded everywhere, but I don't know. I want to start getting ready at 3. And it's like 2:30. So happy. It's the little things. It's the little things. And I actually just shared on my story. Well, not my story, but in 365 story, this tote. And I put a little slider sticker, so let's see how people like it. have one more sweatshirt to bring. But again, the organizer said the crowd is not gonna be that big. And, you know, but honestly, just one purchase of one thing is cool. Some follows on social media, even better. So I got this as a Christmas gift a while back from one of my cousins. And I think I'm gonna put the mugs on there. Okay, but this is it. This is she. Okay. So I'm gonna use this bag. It's like one of those freezer type bags. I use for my groceries. I'm just gonna put it on top. I know. Get ready. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like, I just can't believe I'm about to have a pop-up. I've never done a pop-up. I don't even know if this was like a pop-up specifically. It was part of one of my goals for Healing 365 this year, but I'm here for it, and I know this is just gonna open the door to so much more. Now I can like hear myself. I don't know, I just feel like this is the start of something cool and good and fun. So yeah, gonna go get ready now and charge my camera, charge my phones, charge me. I'm drink some Red Bull for sure. And I do need to eat. Kind of want a kale salad. Kale and quinoa salad. I'm gonna have that now. Gigi, are you excited? Are you excited, girl? Say bye. Say bye, YouTube. Bye, YouTube. How was the event?
Great, amazing. I have zoom in, you know. I ain't got the riches yet, but I got a permanent bracelet. Happy birthday to me.
Early birthday. I'm just here for the vibes. I brought my camera.
Good morning. Hi. So I apologize for my parents. I literally just woke up and took Gigi out and we're getting the day started. But I just wanted to do a little debrief about last night. It was amazing. I did sell 2 journals, but one was to my mom, one was to my esthetician, and then I did a raffle like giveaway to someone. So I gave away a mug and a journal. So hopefully that, you know, does something. But I did gain some followers, gain some, I'm sorry, I'm so tired. I gained some followers, gained some awareness, met with some amazing women. It was just great. I'm so grateful for my friends coming in, stopping by, and of course my mom for helping me throughout this entire process. Like, having a support system is really just, I couldn't imagine doing this alone, and I've done my last 2 entrepreneurial efforts, businesses, kind of alone. So I'm glad that I have, you know, a close-knit, you know, supportive team with me. And I've always had support throughout everything, but this just feels a little different. But yeah, I'm just so grateful for this opportunity. The lady hosting it, she's hoping to have something more low-key. This one was kind of more formal. It wasn't super formal, it was very still casual and everything, but she just wants something more open, having conversation. So hoping we can be a part of that in the future. And yeah, now it's time to get ready for the one for next week. Oh my gosh. So yes, thank you guys for watching this video. I do appreciate it. Again, my name is Tazia. I hope this was helpful, inspirational. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you are in Chicago, a small business owner, if you journal, if you, anything, literally anything. So yeah, I wish you the best, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video, the next pop-up. I also got like no sleep. I came home and it was one of those moments where like you don't want to take your makeup off because you just feel so good, you look good, and I had to come to a realization like, yeah, you have work tomorrow morning, so take your makeup off. So yeah, I didn't go to bed till like 11, and